Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you today's daily whisper of the day for May 30th, 2019. Before I get to today's, let's just talk about yesterday's. I think we broke records yesterday. Wow. What a good day on the short side, I should say. You can see most of these whispers really had fantastic gains on the short side. Watching that pre-market price action definitely gives us the edge. I don't mind doing it. In fact, I love it. And I will look on the ECN books and see where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. Once the market's open, we can see where Goldman Sachs is on the NASDAQ book viewer, and that definitely gives us an advantage as well. But if you had taken all these whispers, 40% gains, 28 targets were hit. So at least I hope you got a piece of it. If you didn't, we got some more for today. So let's start. I think I see some news happening. Trump says U.S. is doing well with China. China would like to make a trade deal with the U.S. Okay, let's move on to the whispers. So let's start with the SPY. The SPY was a fantastic trade for myself personally, all the way down to the 200 simple moving average where it hammered. So where do we go from here? Yeah, we're going to be bullish above 280. There's a little bit more room to go until we hit this 4 EMA, but I really need to have it break 280 for that decent move to hit the 8 exponential, wherever this black line is. Right now it's 281.64. So that's why I've mapped out this trade right here to 281.50. A retracement trade is a move back up to resistance. We'd really need to close above this 8 exponential for us to change to bullish momentum. So keep that in mind. However, bearish below 278. If we do break down from this 278 level, the next time we test these moving averages, there'll be less buyers, and I could see a move all the way down to 275. So those are my two trade setups here and down to there. Let's go to, and I just want to let you know that after we have a really good day, usually, I actually had 2 big moving days. Usually it's tight, a short ATR between low and high of the day, and not as great, but we'll see. You just wait for those great trade setups to appear, and then you take them. So let's go to the Russell. So the Russell also hammered on this lower trend line that I have, as you can see. We're going to be bullish above 149.50 again. I need to see it break above this 4 EMA, and then there's a retracement trade to about 150.25. So between here and here, or if we break below 148, going down. Let's go to the QQQs. All right, we have, same thing. This is also a retracement trade. So now you know what that means. Okay, bullish above 177.50 and bearish below 176. Same kind of trade setup. The VIX we had a pretty big print on. I just need to tell you it's a very dangerous vehicle to trade. It decays and rolls down the hill. Don't ever hold it against you, but I do watch for prints. It tells us a lot about where the overall market may be headed. And we had a almost 700,000 share print at 29.70, and we are below that, so fear has subsided. However, if we do go and break above this 30 level, that's a major level, then fear will be here again, and I would rather short the market than go long fear personally. But if you trade options, it's definitely a way to minimize your losses. SOXS, another dangerous vehicle to trade, but want to let you know we had a highly unusual print on it. The last time we had a highly unusual print was back here, which was a buy print. So are these guys selling? This is the bear for the semiconductor ETF. So it goes down when the semis go up. It goes up when the semis go down. So want to let you know that we did have another unusual print, possibly the big guys selling at the top. And so something like this, I like to buy puts. going out a few weeks. Really, really cheap yesterday. Actually, I bought some for June 21st, 10 cents I paid. So that's as much as I'd like to risk. But if it does collapse, those puts will explode. All right, so let's go to AMD. Pre-market price action. I noticed a buyer at 28.08 on the iNet. Let's see if he's still there. Yep, he's there. See this guy? Yep. And then on the ARCA guy at 28. Yeah, so that's why that's a key level. If we go below 28, I'll turn bearish. I'm bullish above 28.75. Okay. Let's go to Beyond. Beyond Burger. BYND. Beyond Meat. Up. It's moving, but 105. Key level. $5 increments are so strong. And I believe, yep, there's a seller there. See this guy? Yeah. If we break above 105, let's see if there's a guy on iNet also. Nope. Not really at 105. Yeah, if we break above 105, I'm bullish. If we break below 100, you can see there's a buyer right here. If we break below there, I will be bearish for Beyond. Right now it's in between. Let's go to gold. All right, still waiting for gold to move. So I'll just keep putting it on the whisper. We didn't break levels, so no trade yesterday. But if we break above 120, 120, bullish. Bearish below 120.40. We got really close this morning, but no cigar. Still stayed above it. So we'll see. AT&T had some sneaky prints. 250,000 shares. Yep, the last time it did that, we spiked up. So let's see what they do now. Right now, we're stuck right in between the 4 and the 8. So I'm going to be bullish above 32.20. Bearish below 31.80. Last one, FXI, China ETF. Speaking of China, there was news. We had massive prints yesterday. Somebody might have known something before that tweet. We're going to be bullish above 40.60. You can see there's a lot of room to go on the long side. And we're going to be bearish below 40.25. If we break below that, there's room to the downside. There you go. Those are your whispers. Until next time. Happy trading.
That's my